Union Minister Shripad Naik on Tuesday briefly brought out of the GMC wherein he is undergoing treatment after meeting with an accident last week. Minister for Ayush Shripad Naik said that he will be out of hospital after 4 to 5 days and appealed to people not to rush to the hospital and pray from their homes. Here's what the Union Minister said.
सगळ्यांच्या आशीर्वादाने आणि देवाच्या आशीर्वादाने खूप दिवसांनी दीस पळयला. एकच विनंती सगळ्यांकडे चड उलयना मातशी इन्स्ट्रक्शनाक लागून कोणेच भितर हॉस्पिटलान येवचें न्हय, कारण 4-5 दिसांनी आयल बी आउट ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल आनी सगळ्यांक मेळटलो. त्यामुळे घाई करपाचें हांव बरो आसा. तुमी जर पळयला मुद्दम जावन आमच्या सगळ्या दोतोरांनी नर्सींनी भायर फिरोवपाक हाडलो, हेचो अर्थच तुमी समजून घेयात. फक्त 4 दीस वतले, जास्त काय वचचे. कृपा करून सगळ्यांनी असं तेंच्यांनीच खबर घेवची, आमचे आशीर्वाद दिवचे. देव बरें.
The Ayush Minister Shripad Naik underwent 3 major and 1 minor surgery on Monday night after he met with a road accident in Karnataka. Shripad Naik suffered multiple fractures in the accident that killed his wife Vijaya and close aide Deepak Ghume. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.